How to turn flat video into immersive video. Any 360-degree panoramic video can be played on any projection plane through our mapping system, and there won't be any transform or distortion. Also, it has amazing perspective visual effects. Regular immersive video. L-shaped immersive video. Bowling screen immersive video playback. Dome screen immersive video. Are you looking for video mapping projection solutions? Cleater offers over 10 years of expertise in video mapping projection solutions. So, contact us now.